Hi, it's Chris of Florida Drone Supply, and we have been featuring the Autel EVO Max 4T over the last week, and the feedback that we are getting from you, our viewers, is that you want to see more examples of what this drone can do, in particular, the night mode. For this example, we are using the EVO Max 4T with the night mode inside of the Flight app. And there's a soon to be available Autel EVO Max 4N, which is on the Autel website, and the camera specs on that show an ISO going all the way up to 450,000. According to Autel, the payloads will be available to purchase separately and will not require you to purchase a completely different drone. So I took the Autel EVO Max 4T home from work and filmed a couple videos in a slow forward movement in the normal camera mode, reversed back to my start point, and did the exact same flight with the night mode turned on. So let's take a look at the results. You can see here with the first pass on the left-hand side of the screen that the normal camera mode, that the clarity is actually quite good, and if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the night mode turned on. There's quite the difference between what you can see when it comes to the features and how the camera interprets the ambient light and amplifies it. This would be very useful if you are filming night scenes or want to show a lot of illumination to your surroundings, but there's a bit of grain and noise in the night mode video. Another use case would be for law enforcement in a suspect search or trying to get situational awareness. We're going to stop the video here and show you a great example of the differences. These two houses are illuminated by a street light, and on the left-hand side, you could barely make out the street, and if somebody was standing there, you would have a difficult time identifying them. Now, on the right-hand side, I can clearly see both sides of the street, and the night mode option actually illuminates the front yards of the houses as well. If I was searching for somebody, I would definitely use this mode combined with a thermal to give myself a higher chance of finding them. These flights were done at roughly 9 p.m. with a half moon, so it was very dark outside. Now, we will show a side-by-side photo between normal mode and the night mode turned on. Again, you can see the clear difference between the photos, and they were literally taken 10 seconds apart, and it's obvious that there is much less grain and noise on the photos compared to the video. And you can clearly see the definition and the outline of the water, as well as illumination of the streets, rooftops, and front yards. We pulled the metadata, and as you can see here, the shutter speed on the night mode slowed down and the ISO went from 1490 to 3885. And to round out this test, I have to say that this drone lived up to its advertised capabilities. As we said in the last video, this drone is quickly becoming one of our favorites, and the more we test it and fly it, the more we love it. Now it's time for you to love it. There's a link in the description below to purchase the Autel EVO Max 4T. Order it today, and we'll ship it today. If you have any questions about this drone or the many others that we sell, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a great day.